is! On time! Where is Surly Dev? Shirley? I don't see you. Where are you? Oh man, that's small. Yeah, my two-screen setup. I need to figure that out better. I don't know why it's not working properly. There it is. Interesting. Okay. So that works. Testing. Look like the mic is going well. Hello. It is. I'm wearing my CB shirt today. Not shirt, t-shirt. I was like, what's happening with the music? I don't know. Oh, this, I'm guessing, yeah, I need to find a way. This, forgot, was it with Restream, was it working better? I need to ask Mr. Fritz how he's doing it. Okay, let's do start AzUrlShortener. Voila, so now CB is tracking our stuff, our notes and everything. There it is. And I won't land. Everything is working as expected. Wonderful. Okay. So, I'm happy to be here today. Very happy. Smooth Friday. It's a little bit loud for me here. Let's go. Can I lower the volume? Okay. I don't think it changed anything for you, but for me, it was loud. Looked like the last time I was coding with music, it was like... what I was saying... Oh yeah, so happy to be here this morning. We'll be working on the AzUrlShortener. It's been a month already that I didn't touch it. I don't think we worked on it on this stream for a while. I know I did an episode about like a stream a few weeks back, kind of to show you the new version. So today let's work on like a feature. I want to push a new release. It would be cool if it could be like before the end of the month. We'll see how it goes, but I think we'll be focusing on that. I think we'll focus on just the URL shortener. That I don't think. We'll see how it goes if we have time to go on 2D6 Dungeon app and like maybe work on the dock and stuff like that. Since last time, oh, you know what? Like, yeah, there's a status of 2D6 Dungeon app. So we'll visit 2D6 Dungeon app. Let's open the tab here. Let's open it here. I know you can see it yet. Boom. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. I like that intro. I know it's a little bit old. It's like just cartoony, but I like it. So yeah, welcome. I'm Frank Boucher for the next 2 hours-ish. I will have fun coding, learning, like experimenting with stuff we don't necessarily know or we're an expert. And just like every stream, I will be putting back and removing my hoodie because my office is cold, but I move so much that I get warmed up. Like it's my workout. Yay. I'm a .NET developer. I love .NET, I love open source, and we've been working on many open source projects. And today's project, we will be working on the URL shortener. So let me bring my screen. We'll be working on this guy. So it's this guy. Oh, that's part of the thumbnail. Maybe not. So yeah, it's been a month, I think. Yeah, last month that I worked on, because I think I only did stream to kind of show the status. So I want to work on that, like fine tune a few things, and I wish I could push the 4.02 version ASAP. Can I zoom? So right now it's 4.01. I would like to put 4.02. I don't think there's a lot missing there, but before we go there, what is it?
Previously on Frank's channel.
Yeah, previously on Frank's channel. Thank you, Fritz. Thank you, Jeff. C# Fritz. Excellent streamer. Last week we worked on 2D6 Dungeon app, and we were like super close to wrap it up and like do a version. I forgot where I was struggling. Maybe it was just time. I think it was just the time. I was hungry, I needed a bio break, and we were super close, and I kind of like finish off screen while lurking Clarkio stream, I think. So I pushed the MVP, the first version, so we have a release. Why I don't see any titles or anything, I don't know. So V0.1 MVP. So 2D6 Dungeon app is a dungeon crawler game. It is a dice and paper game, right? It is a dice and paper game done by Toby Lancaster. And is it, like, did I pronounce his name correctly? Hopefully it is. Where is his name? Yeah, I think it is. That's the name. And like, I'm not doing a digital version of it. I'm doing like a companion app. So last time we packaged it. So I think now it's playable. I put it there. I still miss some instruction to have people to be able to run it locally. I might do a version that I host. I'm just scared how much will it cost me if some people are getting heavy on it. So I don't know. And like, yeah, if you just want to try it, maybe, I don't know. Maybe like I won't only share if people ask. Maybe I could do that. Only share the URL for people asking on the Discord or something like that. But yeah, so it's there. We finished that up. That was pretty cool. If you want, like, one thing you could do, like, there's the sponsor little icon here on there it is, a little sponsor icon. If you want to help me, you could do that and like give some money back. It's all like, it's kind of, for me, I do that on my spare time. I do that for fun, but it helps, you know, improving the experience and stuff like that. It's also kind of like showing me that I'm doing okay. I'm going in the good direction. So feel free to do it. No obligation. Like it's monthly or one shot, whatever you want. But today we are working on the URL shortener. So URL shortener, let's put that in the chat. Two chats, because I'm also streaming on YouTube, Twitch and YouTube. So it is a Microsoft project. We coded that here on this stream for fun, because I do a lot of YouTube video and I wanted to share links, but you know, long URL, just like, hey, blah 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 slash blah 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 slash blah blah, like it's not useful. So I thought, you know, I'll make short URL, easier to show in the screen, easier to understand what it is and stuff like that. we built that, and at some point Microsoft thought it was a good project. They moved it, so like they asked me, obviously, they asked me, and it got moved to the Microsoft account. So that's pretty cool. Here, so it's totally now like it's an open source project. It's a Microsoft account. I'm still an owner, but to work on that machine as me, on that machine, to work on this project as me, I need to be on my work machine, and this stream is me time. So that's why I created another GitHub account where I could work with less permissions, and that's why like there's stuff I like we will be working on. But if you're wondering why I have two accounts, that's why. So I did fork the repo so we could go on the fork. We'll be working on this version, but I'm pushing everything. We're working on the branch vnex, the next version, right? Pushing feature over there. So if we go into the issues, I don't think I have access, unfortunately, to the project. Did I? No. I need to have like yeah, that's sad. I don't have access to the project in there because it's private. I need to make a new one that will be open to all. Okay. Yeah. So, missing doc to run locally. That's not what I want. I think this will be cool. And there was also adding a date. Add date. So specify the begin and the end date when we display statistics. That could be cool. Can I, if I go admin, I think I have one deploy here. So when we go in statistics, it shows everything. It would be cool if we could just say, hey, give me last month or something like that. So that's what I want to work on today. And since we'll be working with dates, adding a date, a create date will be cool. The reason is sometimes like when you're looking at all your URL, it could be cool to just, hey, show me the most recent. Here I just have two, but in the real one I've been using it for years. So now you could tell that I have tons of URL. Maybe I forgot the exact vanity or I forgot something, whatever. Oh, that's not the last version. Interesting. Because there's no, we implemented last time some sorts. It's not there. Data version. That demo version is not up to date. Oh, it would be cool, like to do a version or something, show somewhere. Version. Yeah. So adding a create date and having some filter when you do the statistics. That's what we'll be working on today. Does it sound like a plan? I hope so, because that's what we will be working on. Okay, let's start. I think let's add a date. Let's add create date. And I cannot change anything here, but let's do this. Cool. Excellent. My Discord stuff are working. So I'm using GitKraken desktop. I love it. So we could create a new branch. Can I? I'm using also git lens, but I wanted to use more the CLI. So let's give it a try with the CLI. Okay, so let's open this. Let's open, come on, this one. Do I have the CLI installed? Yes, cool. So I want to start some work. So I think I want to start work. Interact with your work with the alias W. Okay, so I could say git kraken work, and then I think we want to start, and I forgot what are the other parameters. So, and I'm in the way. Frank, you're hiding everything, and not that. That's better, and it's tiny, so let's make it bigger. Cool. So branch base, that's what I want. Okay. I wish there was IntelliSense though. You know, could simplify things. So let's clear so we get up. So we say git kraken work start, then branch base, it will be vnex, and the name of our branch we'll be working on will be create date, add created date. No, it wasn't this. What was it? Oh, B branch. Okay. Yeah, I should have known. That's more like it. Okay, so what it should do is create a new branch, switch to that branch. Oh yeah, it's true. I had that problem the other day. I think that was because I was using oh, it worked kind of. It's weird. Can I take a screenshot of that? Cool. But well, feel like it worked, so we are in the good branch, so I'm not sure what it's supposed to be doing more than that. I think it's because the token, the token is not set. I need to search. Okay, so yeah, we are in the good branch. So now we need to add the created date as a property. So I'm guessing we'll be going to the core. In the domain, and it will be the short URL entity. And we'll add a date. My eyes. So yeah, so let's add this at the end. So public string. We'll keep it as string to keep it simple, and we'll do create created date. So when we initialize, what the hell is happening here? Wonder.
Bonjour.
Hey, Serty, how are you? Hello, I'm here. Yeah, and not too late, only 20 minutes. Happy to see you here. How are you, my friend? I'm feeling good. We're working on the AzUrlShortener today because it's been mostly a month. And because it's been a while, I'm kind of like, how it works again? Saw you on Jeff's stream. Was it also on the .NET Conf? Pretty active these days, man. You're everywhere. Soon you'll have to come on the other side of the camera. That would be cool. That would be cool. Yeah. Well, there's one. Oh, it's true. That's one feature I didn't spend time explaining at the beginning. There's one pull request here. Oh, I cannot check it. Why I cannot check it? I'm F Schultz, right? Maybe it was. I was still the first me on there. Okay, now I can go see the pull request. So there's a pull request here to create QR code from Harry. Great work. The problem right now is it's not doing it the Aspire way and stuff like that. So I think I will have to merge or ask, because like he's introducing like a connection string and a storage container. Like you shouldn't have to do that. You should just like let Aspire assigning it. So maybe I will do it. Maybe I should ask Harry to, I don't know. Maybe I will ping him in private. You saying bonjour was okay. I'm fine with that. No problem. We need that. We need, like, it's always great to have participating audience. So it's always cool to have you. I saw the super hat you gave Jeff. It was cool. And Jeff was wearing it. Jeff was wearing it also in meetings later in the day. That was nice. Okay, so I think what we want to do is let's check when we call in the API. Right? Oh, like I should have, yeah, it's in the core anyway. That's just a wrap. Well, it won't do it here. So in create, we're just calling the service and create. So let's go instead in the service. And I'm guessing right now it's behind me. So URL service, voila. Now we can search for create. There it is. So we don't pass the date. Oh, because I did it on the, okay, hello. Let's go with AzUrlShortener. Maybe that's why I'm using to user. And so let's I think that's my problem right now. I need to set up 2 accounts in VS Code so they can work properly. That was probably my problem. Okay, so we don't need that for now. So in create, we want to add a date. So we have the long URL, we have the vanity, we have the title. Now we need the date. So let's add the date here because we want it in a string. Today. I think just the date is okay. We don't need to have the hour. What do you think? Oh, I miss Maddie. Yeah, it's possible. She loves swag stuff. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, he just like I think I joined the stream as he was putting the app. I thought it was super cool. I will see him. Like he's been confirmed to go to Seattle for build, so I'm happy. Like I'm even I'm a proctor of a lab with him, so that would be cool. UTC, let's go UTC. Do we want UTC? I think it will simplify stuff. We just want a date. So today is not great. Let's do create date with a lower C, please. So create a date. That's better. That's English. Yeah, I think that's fine. So now when we create this, I want to pass the date. Or should it be the object? That itself, just like kind of like, I've been created today. Mentioned on stream before that it was said to him. He mentioned on stream before that it was said to him that it is good for him to be seen at event like build. Yeah. Why? Yeah, of course. Oh. Well, you know, like he's very active in like online, but like in-person event or like stuff like that, it's always kind of like pretty good. Like meeting different crowd. I love it too. That's also possible. I'm not in the secrets of like, it's a different team. I know we both do .NET, but like he's in a different team. So yeah, so I'm wondering, do we want to pass the date or do we? I think I don't want to pass the date. I think I want the URL shortener to just like add that param by itself. Sorry. So I don't think I want that here. In fact. Yeah, I don't think I want that here. Right, when you create this, if we go to implementation, I'm calling initialize. So in initialize, I should do create date and then like just put that. And I don't think I want that. I just want a date. So what's get entity? You pass everything and I return. What is that thing? Oops. Oh, I forgot the no, that's not what I want. Oh, I didn't put any, okay. I need to put something here. If I do this, and now I could go. So that's the function. No. That's not what I wanted. Okay, hold on. That thing is never called. I don't get it. What is that? Zero reference. Oh, it was written here. So I mean, I could remove that. Let's do that this way. Initialize. Oh, maybe it was the previous version of get entity and now I have get no. I don't know what it is. So here I initialize it, but I don't return it. Interesting. Okay, well, so we have that. So now in the URL service, we won't be able to update that because it's the create that date. For the redirect, we don't need that. For the list, so all here, I want that include in it. So if I go here, yeah, okay, so I'm returning the object, so it should be there, right? I think so. Okay, create. I don't think there's anything else. Update, I don't want us to mess up with that. Click by day. The only thing is, if there's no create date, maybe that's the thing. Maybe it could be a one-shot thing. Because right now, like, if we look at the data, like, not every record have a create date. So we should populate it like with some default. So it could be the timestamp on another column. We could use that as the default. Do we want to update? Do we want to do it like in the storage here when we get like get stuff? And here when I'm like for each, I could say if item dot create date is null, then no, this, it will be item timestamp what is it again? Storage Explorer. I forgot the format.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour, Mr. Magoo. How are you? Happy to have you on the show today, on the stream. Did you watch .NET Conf? I watched just part of it this week. Emulator. Subscription, Azure. Let's go here. Oh, that's tiny. Yes. Cool. I think I want this one. This one? What? I just did it. I don't get it. Again. That was big. .NET Conf wasn't for me this week. Not really relevant. Okay. Why am I not seeing it? Unfilter? Oh, okay. By default, it's filtered. Okay. I think it's that one, though. Oh, no, it's this one. Cool. I need to rename my stuff. It's just confusing. Oh, did I close the... Look like I closed my Twitch. Oh, sorry. So I missed Avura on YouTube was saying like, why don't you Why don't you use an API that make a tool? What? Not sure I follow. This is way too small. Can I make that screen bigger? This one. Why don't you use an API and make a tool? For what? Oh, for changing the dates. Is it what you're making? You're meaning? Aruwa. Sorry, completely scrapped your name. Okay, I need to try to drop here. Okay. Yeah, I could do that. It was just like it could be like an admin tool and just say, hey, update my stuff. But I think a smarter way will be just to have something that, hey, if it's null, show the last date that was used in the system. So why it's not working? I don't get it. Like, you should have plenty of stuff. Let's go in the portal. Just let's go in the portal. Show me this, and it's the that one, I think. And then we go here. That's the data. Every week, man. Okay, now let's go. Is it storage browser? I think it's storage browser. Click URL details. You don't have the permission. Oh yeah, it's true. Let's go in the old version. What? Storage Explorer table. This table. It's empty. And I also have too many versions of that tool, apparently. Okay, storage browser table. Okay. So yeah, timestamp. Then we wanna take just that beginning. Okay. So timestamp is this. So I mean this, and let's add. Yeah. If there's nothing, then put nothing. Okay, so we have that. So that will be for the get all URL entity, short entity. So now I think we can show it in our admin tool. Yeah, I think we can do that. So now we have it. Oh, we could. No, we could test the API right away. Look, it's looking good, Mr. Magoo. Yay! Indeed, yeah. Let me try. Finally. Let's go with some fun here. Can I make this thing bigger? Voila. See, I will go straight in the other corner. Yeah. No, middle of the screen. Okay, so yeah, so we have that. So now what we can do is go in the Blazor app, the admin app, and we want to see those things. So in the pages, the page URL manager here, we want to add the date, but where? I think maybe after the number of clicks, I think. That will be a simple. Love it. Love it. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Oh no, it says like though. Yeah, no, I want this. Title will be created. Just created, right? And then it will be this / created date. Sortable, true. That's it. Are we lucky? What? What are you talking about? Configuration? What? What are you talking about? We're running app host. Mr. Magoo, you were specified. So like this week, .NET Conf was about more modernization, right? So taking like on-prem and like uplifting, meaning you're already all in Azure in the cloud and stuff like that. What's happening? Configuration. Fast enough. Okay, so it's creating all the resources. Fail to start. My work is mostly .NET Framework or .NET 8, never modernizing between them. Okay. But sometimes it's cool to just like see what you could do to like kind of like give a you know, a new refresh the painting. I don't know how to say that properly, I think. Like not changing everything, but just kind of like, you know. Error, object not found, container. What? Why this start if nothing else is started? That's not correct. Function, func storage. I don't get it though. Okay, func storage. Nothing. Build to start. Yeah, that's why I'm looking at the logs. This, no. This, no. Docker running? What is that? What is happening? Stop that. Maybe I should have rebooted my laptop before streaming. Yeah. There's even a lot of stuff. Dab. What is that? Why have so many of that? Why have a MySQL database running? It feels like I think it will be faster if we go in Portman. Am I running Portman on this machine? Maybe I'm not. I thought it was. Looks like I'm not. Okay. Okay. So let's stop that guy. So if I do this, where I was? Damn it. So here. I want to stop. Yes. 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 Am I stopping anything? I don't think so. Permission denied. So the container is running. I want to stop it. Are you sure you want to stop that container? Yes, but nothing happened. Okay, it's waiting at the bottom. I'm having a flare in my screen. So why? Permission denied. What is happening, man? Maybe I need to reboot. I think I may need to reboot because it's a new laptop and like it's doing stuff. What we can do is we could try to see if Portainer helps. What's the Portainer? I forgot the command. No, I just wanna I don't want get trial, get free node. No, I just want the free. I don't wanna that's what I was looking for. Docker volume create Portainer data. Big. Cool, so now we have the volume and now I think that feels good. Let's have a look. Docker run port 80. Okay, yeah, I think it's good. Unable to find the image locally for daemon. So the daemon is not running? You know what? Let's do that. Let's quickly restart. That's the pleasure of having two VMs. Two machine, two labs, computer. Shouldn't be long. This hoodie is too heavy for today. Should have picked something lighter. You know, one thing, I need a screen. I'm missing a screen with like just me and what's that one? Like me in the chat, something like that. So now I'm back, loading up. So I want this. I'll go here. Putting the stream. Cool. So now let's try with the terminal. Plus. Oops. Unable to find Elwarn. Docker error response. I have no idea what's that error, but like if we don't have Docker, we won't go far. Yeah, what's the command to restart the Docker service? Oh, is the service down? I don't think so. Oh yeah, unauthorized. Authentication required. Oh, I need to log in? Oh, really? Interesting. Okay. That's cool. Okay, and now I need this. Oh, it was just that? Oh, still. Congratulations, you're all set, but it doesn't look like it did anything. Interesting. Okay, let me check that quickly in here. Oh, it's so tiny when I put in this screen. Full name, Frank Boucher. Company, no company, location. So the response still doesn't work. Feel like it's new. I didn't have that last week. What's happening here? I'm running... What? Interesting. So logout removed from V1 and login was doing it in V2. Let's try again. Please confirm the code. Yeah, it's the same code I put, but it doesn't work. See here, it's like V2. Oh, maybe I need to update something? That's fun. It's always fun. Do we see Docker here? Let's go quick. So Brave is changing, fine. Doesn't look like interesting. So if I do V1 though, will it work? Service unavailable. Okay. Authentication required. But if I do the authentication, it still doesn't work. Let's look again at the error we were having. Docker login. To sign in with the credential in command line, use Docker. Your one-time device confirmation code is blah 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 blah. Okay. So is that the same? Yeah. So warning, your credential are stored unencrypted. Okay, cool. Configure credential, help to remove this warning. Okay, oh, that, it's a new laptop. Did I change something? Maybe that's also the same kind of error I have with Git. See the credential store. Error response from daemon get blah 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 blah. Look up just connection refuse. Man, this is not fun. Feel dumb. It never happens to me. Though on most of my devices, I use Docker Desktop, and on this one, I decided to not use Docker Desktop, so look like I'm not good enough to use the Docker daemon. I have the same. Oh, yeah, that was good. Yeah. Oh. Is Docker down? Can you try that, chat? Can you ping this? Okay. Oh, wait, did I change my DNS or something? I don't think so. Unauthorized. Okay. That's weird, right? There's no way I will remember that password. So I could go. It was. Lookup registry. Connection refused. was... Oh. I usually don't use my VPN that much at home. Man, I mean, I'm logged in, right? Yeah. It's weird. Yeah, but DNS, I don't have a DNS. Like, I mean, am I running a DNS? It seems to be looking at local hosts for the registry. Check a few things here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I have some container running on another machine. Do I have DNS? I know I did try to put a DNS on my network to resolve names. But I'm so bad that I was unsuccessful. No, I don't have. I have a twin gate connector, but that does nothing, and it was like working. Nah, it cannot be that. No, I want to code. I don't want to fight network stuff. Okay. I mean, that's nothing. Look like on your host, point to a DNS server. Blocked by a firewall. Oh, that's a good idea. I don't know how to read usually the output of all that, but okay. Source server. Yeah. I mean, yeah. It looked all legit. Like port 5350 connection refuse. Yeah, well, I am on internet since what was it again? What's that? That's my router. Well, I don't know what this is. But it would have, like, I didn't change anything since last stream, so why last stream it would have worked and not today? You know what I mean? You expect computers to be yeah, totally. Is it dash dash? No, Docker info work. The Docker engine. Maybe I should put back the desktop. Maybe I should. See, there's 6 containers. Were we looking for something? So it's running okay, but you can't log in the container registry. Yeah, exactly the problem. It was working on my other machine. And if I try to do a Docker login, I never did that command, by the way. I do this. using web base. I could sign in with this, or one-time device confirmation is this. Press enter to open the browser and submit your device code here. So press enter. It opened this. This is the same code I was seeing earlier, so say confirm. And now it doesn't work. I could try to do sudo, maybe. So ZV. Warning, your credentials are stored, blah, blah, blah. Error response. Dial TCP lookup registry. Connection refuse. $888. Oh yeah, I could do that. Change it for something like not my router. What's 888? Is it Google? What's the Cloudflare one? One. I mean, yeah, okay. You know what? Let's use. Let's clear this. Let's try this, and instead of like using my own, maybe that's a problem. Let's go try. So I was 8.8.8.8, and the second one was what? .8.8.8.4 or something like that. Yeah, not bad. 4. So Control X, yes, this. Now let's do this will go in 2 steps. We'll go stop. Okay, and now let's go start. Oops. Okay. Ah, there's nothing. Is it good? We don't know. Let's try to run Docker Hello World. Nope. Okay, let's try to... Did I start the... Oh, maybe I need to do that too, though. I didn't do that. Let's try that. Whoops. What? That's the problem when you go from like a web browser to your terminal, the control shift and you know, when the terminal it's control shift C and V. So now it's just control C. Hopefully it works. So now try to pull the image. Okay. I mean, let's try again. I just removed the blocker. Nope. It didn't change a thing. You need to add your what? You need to add to your in terminal. Like you need to add to your okay. I need to add this, but like what's this? Works for me. The current IP check. That's what. Yeah, so see now it's 8888. Was this the address? So do we want to change this? Well, we don't want that. Right? But every time the IP will change, I will have to do that. I feel weird. I never did that before. You did that before? Oh man. Maybe I should install. Maybe I should just install the desktop. Desktop change a lot of things, right? I need to make sure though there's no other version running before, so I need to uninstall Docker and then oh, will it? I won't do it, right? Install Docker. Usually it says like make sure no other version are running. I'm just a bit pissed because it was working before. Run the following command to uninstall all conflict package. Okay, let's try that. I want to uninstall it completely. Clear. Boom. So now if I try to do docker ps, yips. Uninstall. Before you can install, you need to uninstall any conflict. The unofficial package to install. Yeah, they were there, right? Uninstall Docker engine. Okay.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour, Fragbird. Comment ça va? How are you? Are you on any VPN connection that may be... No, that's what I thought. Like a good question, Blazer Mr. Magoo. Usually I use NordVPN, but when I'm traveling, not from home. But since it's a laptop, I thought maybe like I went to a cafe and forgot to turn it off or something, or it was turned on automatically. But I don't, well, like it's too late, but yeah, it's disconnected. Did you, Fragbird? Oh, wow. Whew. And hopefully the deployment went well. But see, you could celebrate, you landed, you know. That's a good day. So image, container, volume, custom configuration, host automatically be aren't. You can delete all. Okay. Do I want to delete all? Yeah, I don't have anything on that machine. Okay, cool. Remove the source. Yeah. Cool. So now we close this. We reopen a new terminal. Nope. Wrong shortcut. This and Docker dash version. It still says, no. Like, yeah, I have a Docker. Did we not just uninstall everything? I'm never playing again. What's the demon, maybe? Oh, man. Maybe the only thing I needed was this. I don't get it. Like, we uninstall everything. I'm guessing it's just the CLI. I mean, we did run the command. Like, apt get purge. Is it remove? But I feel purge is stronger, right? Not install and install. Selecting Mobi container D instead of like container I, okay. Not install and install. Unable to locate the package Docker Compose plugin. Okay, let's try to see if, man, it was working. Why it's not working anymore? This was supposed to be a chill stream. The problem are after the stream. I have already a GNOME terminal. So set up apt registry, install the app repository. I have a lot of things open. Let's close a few. Okay, set up the app registry. Git update certificate. Maybe it was the certificates thingy that I didn't have. I don't know. Do we want the latest? Indeed, we want the latest. Yes, to all. Oh no, I installed Docker Engine again. I wanted... Oh, so I need the engine and then desktop go on top of it? No. Oh, instead of all that crap. So set up the see step 1. Oh, I didn't want this command. Oh, that's the command I was looking for. Clear. Frank, you did everything. Let's do remove. Yes. And let's do purge. Okay, so now we are clear. We could install. Oh, I didn't download it though. We go back, download the deb package. There it is. Okay, cool. Download, download, download. Looks like the download is completed. So we'll go here and it will be into the download folder. Is it plural or not? Looked like it was. You know what? Make it rain. That's how I feel. It should rain because nothing is working. Except for Fragbird. Oh, Fragbird, then that's the key. You need to join when like my stream is crap and like everything will go well for you. Maybe that's the thing. So now I have a nice little Docker desktop app. I'm accepting. It's personal. Let's log in here. Keep it. I'm a full stack developer. Hobby project. Cool. I don't know why the sign in thing doesn't work. Unable to log in. You must initialize hats before logging in. Ah, I need to generate a key. Is it something I should be showing, Phil? Let's go this way. My name. it wrong. Okay, let's try again. Not like I'm okay with that. Okay. So copy the ID. Oh, it's the noise. You don't like it? Oh, it's because you don't see it in that screen. It was the rain. I was pissed, so I turned up the cloud black. And what's my GP blah blah ID? This? No, like that thing. So I need to do pass. I pass init and then my key. Pass init. Okay. Uh-huh. So now look like I could do a Docker login. And I use Link. Oh, Control C. Clear. Docker. Well, I should be able to do it now from here. Maybe I can start it again. Let's restart it. Let's bring you. Okay, let's go see the dashboard. Docker is running. Show me the dashboard. Can I sign in now? Always allow. Yay! Okay, so now can we do Docker run hello world? Fuck. Oh, maybe it's just nope. What is happening today? So install Docker Desktop. At the end of the installation, apt. Okay, I was seeing that error message. Oh, it's tiny, for you. This is better. So you could follow my nightmares. RPM package include post install. So the RPM package include a post install script that complete additional autocomplete. Yeah. But RPM, I'm not running an RPM, I'm running a deb. Does the deb also include? Maybe it's a typo? So now I cannot connect to the server. Interesting. But it is installed. That. Oh, maybe I need to. Okay, let's try that. Was it just because? Whoops. I want to do this. Oh, okay, so I was just. Not word. Unable to find an image, pull request denied. You need to do a Docker login. Oh, man, feel like a deja vu, what don't you think? Okay, now it's working. We spent an hour making what was working before working again. Oh, and maybe it's a word like one word? No? Oh. Docker run hello world. Oh, we did change the DNS thingy, the resolve file. Let's go back to that. So should have just okay, this we want this. Control X. Whoops. Yeah, Control X. Cool, it's working. How do you restart the DNS thing? Do I need to do a sudo? No. Full access denied from Hello World. Repository does not exist or may require Docker login. But I should be logged in, right? We did it. Oh, like, is it by terminal? Yeah, that's... Is there a way to see if I'm already logged in? Run, exit, push, bake, pull, login, logout, search version info. AI. Oh yeah, there's an AI agent now. Ask Gordon. Gordon, why are you not working? I should do that. I don't know what to do. Why it's not working anymore. Yeah, it needs to be enabled. Of course it needs to be enabled. I'm assuming there's some charge. Remote desktop, login. Settings. Oh, and Use containered for pulling the star image. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's good. Okay, and now the time is all past, and we code nada. Well, we did it. I cannot just run. It's weird. I don't understand why. Maybe I know I won't be able to. I won't be able to get the image. Oh man, I will have to investigate that. That's not fun. I see all the stuff running here. Oh, here. App host. Tiny, so the two others didn't start. What is happening? Security is happening, my friend. It's awesome. Okay, so what we did, we changed the entity by adding a property, putting a default value in it, and removing a function that we think may not be used. And the table, if the date, oh yeah, when we return everything, if the date doesn't exist, we put the last time, the timestamp. Most of the time it will be the created date, so I think it's okay. And then the property, we added the property in the column, so I think that looks good. Like, why Docker is not running? And I am in this, we'll push it so I can test it on another machine. Oh man, oh man, oh man, what a stream. So thank you for being with me today, investigating that issue. I have no idea why it's not working. I feel like there's some security issue on my machine. I meaning like it's secure. Because I have the thing with Git and now with Docker. Like there's something I forgot to do when I reset my machine. So it's fine. It's just not fun because, you know, when I stream I expect it to be working, right? But I wish you all a great weekend, and I'm sure we'll maybe meet on other people's stream today, and otherwise see you next week. Bye bye. And stop streaming.